Hello there, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. So on this video, let's talk about how to enable sensitive content on Telegram. Now, I'm currently using this one on an iPhone, so make sure that you're using the web browser. Do not use the application on your iPhone. It will not work if you're using the application itself. So go to your any browser if you're choosing maybe Google Chrome or Safari. Right now, I'm using Safari and just type in telegram.web and go here. The first results. So once you're here, just log in using your number and it should be looking like this. So once you're here, this is going to be your account, right? This is a dummy Telegram account on my end right there. So the thing you want to do here is click on the three lines on the upper left. While you click on it, go to settings, should be this one right here. And look for the one that says privacy and security. Now once you're here, just scroll on the very lower part or very bottom part. You're going to see this one that says show 18 plus content. On some users, it says sensitive content, but for now, it says 18 plus content. Make sure this is checked and you'll be good to go. So once you check this one, you want to reset your application, of course. Simply hover your finger on the bottom of the screen, delete it, and you'll be good to go. Same goes with the Telegram application. Remove it, and you'll be good to go. Now open up your Telegram application, and then sensitive content will now be enabled on your end. Basically, that's it. I'll catch you guys on the next one.